This is 5 rounds, 1.5 minutes. This is for the ISKA British Kickboxing title. To make their way to the blue corner, let them know, Brooke Mitchell!
First up we have Brooke Mitchell.
Hey, go on.
Brooke looking very calm and composed, ready to do the business.
And to the red corner, Roma Tyson!
Next up we have Roma Tyson, fighter of Undisputed Fight Academy. Facing off for the British ISKA title. 5 rounds of 1.5 minute action. This one will be a good one, folks. If you haven't already, make sure that you download the Leapfrog Fight TV app for only $9.99. Both fighters looking very calm and composed, eager and ready to go.
Who wants to get
You're going to have a major sugar rush on the way home. Are you going to be title?
in the blue corner, representing Lions Den, Brooke Mitchell! And in the red corner, representing Undisputed Fight Academy, make some noise for Roma, the Pink Lady, Tyson!
Both ladies eager and ready to go. This one's going to be a banger.
Let's go, Brooke!
Roma, the Pink Lady Tyson, facing up against Brooke Mitchell. A good start there from Roma. Oh, nice right hand from Roma. Brooke Mitchell turning the back. You cannot do that against Roma. She will capitalise.
Roma has come out on a mission.
Every time, Alex, every time.
I think this means a lot to her, this fight, because it's for a title.
100%. Roma puts it all on the line every single time. She comes for a fight. Good left hook there, just glancing there for Roma. Stiff right hand, though, to follow it up.
They seem to have settled down a bit now, though. Brooke's got her under control a little bit.
Roma keeping the centre ring, though. Brooke maybe taking one too many step back.
Nice shot, nice shot.
Yeah, the pace is definitely slowed.
Nice shot. Right leg, Brooke. Nice shot. Again, right leg. Right leg up.
Oh, heavy body kick there from Brooke.
That's good.
Roma wears it well, though.
Right leg down.
Swing and a miss from Brooke.
Right hand over the top. Right hand over the top. There you go. There you go.
She's got a nice jab, Brooke has, but Roma looks very strong.
Very strong. Very game as well.
The kicks are just not hurting her at all.
She wears it well. Good roundhouse there from Roma.
Nice jab
Stiff
from
jab
Brooke.
there.
She's got a lovely jab, Brooke.
You know what they say, a good right hand will take you around the block, but a good jab will take you around the world.
Well, fantastic round that. Both girls started off strong, but they've both settled down now and found their rhythm a little bit.
I think Brooke maybe just edging that round for me, but Roma can definitely bring it back. I know the calibre of fighter Roma is, and she's got a lot more in the locker than what we're seeing here tonight, definitely.
I'm just watching Chris in the corner now with Roma, and I'm waiting for the Roma eye roll.
Yeah, I'm waiting for that towel.
It's not coming, mate. She's in the right frame of mind this fight.
Oh yeah, she's full of attitude, is Roma, but that's something that you need in this game. Seconds out, round 2 approaching.
No, this is the next round.
She looks light on her feet, Brooke, still. Very light on her
Body
feet.
kick there from Brooke.
The boxing's working well for Roma.
Good
That
body kick there.
beautiful combination, finished with a body kick.
Oh, nice right hand
1-2.
there. Again, they start off very strong and explosive, but it dies down as the round goes on.
She's holding the centre of the ring, Roma.
Nice body kick there from Roma.
That combination's working lovely for Roma. That 1-2 down the pipe, finished with a body kick.
You can tell she's been working on it. Looks very polished. Oh, good kick to the midsection. Followed up with a right hand and another one.
Gets out the corner well, though, does Brooke. She's got good movement.
Yeah, very light on her feet. She can float like a butterfly, but can she sting like a bee? That is the question. Oh,
Lovely
good
shot.
right hand there.
Good matchup, this.
An excellent matchmaking for the
Good matchup
JackHammer
for the
team.
ISKA British title. I'd love to know what the corner is saying to both of them now.
Both soaking up the knowledge.
What do you think Chris is saying to Roma right now?
Oh, it was going to be what Chris is like. Not the nicest person in the world, but sometimes that's what you need in your
He
corner.
says it how it is when it's in the corner.
Yeah, he's like Marmite. You either like him or you don't.
Tough love, tough
Yeah,
love.
that's it, that's it. I know when he's cornering me, I definitely don't like him.
Been a banging show so far, though, mate.
Some brilliant fights. Earlier on in the undercard, we had 6 back-to-back first-round stoppages, which is rare. You only get that on JackHammer UK. Live stream on Leapfrog Fight TV for only £9.99 a month.
Value for money.
Bargain for your money. If you haven't already, make sure you download and subscribe. Fights like this on a weekly basis.
Solid defending there from Roma.
Oh, good side kick though from Brooke.
Brooke's got a great engine on her. She's not slowed down at all.
She hasn't, no, and that jab's working wonders.
She's still really light on her feet.
Nice jab again.
Nice combination there from Brooke.
A very technical fight is this. Nice body kick from Roma Tyson. The pink lady.
The more this fight's going on, the more it's going to be about who wants it more.
Oh, definitely, yeah, definitely. And so far, you can tell that both young ladies want it. Nice body kick there from Roma.
Do you know what? Going into 2025, mate, with JackHammer UK, we're going to be taking the shin pads away from full contact kickboxing.
And I can't wait to see it.
And that's certainly going to make things a lot interesting, because a lot of these shots going in right now with both of these girls, imagine if the pads weren't there.
Oh, damage. Pure damage. And I also think it's going to bring them
100%.
which is what is lacking at the minute. I think maybe the trousers isn't the most appealing to the eye, but as soon as they come off, if people like karate combat.
Yeah,
you know
we want to keep the trousers, because you don't want to take away the authenticity. But if we can remove these pads next year, which is our plans with JackHammer UK,
people will be hearing the shots from the back.
yeah, it's going to be incredible. We're going to start the ranking system. We've got a lot of pros on board already with this, and it's going to be huge.
For the likes of Scott Brewer, he's game. Hayley Keeley, she's game.
Leon done it. He's
Big
on.
names.
Yep, big names.
Ticket sellers.
Yo, who wants a sweetie? This is the next round.
Oh, nice side kick there. But as I say, Scott Brewer, he's fighting later on tonight. That's a fight I'm looking forward to seeing.
Very much so, mate. Very much so. Scott looks well and truly up for it, and his opponent does as well.
That one's going to be a banger.
Do you know what I like there, mate? There's so many world title defences that are coming on to JackHammer.
Not many people want to defend them, do they?
No,
That's what
and this is the
JackHammer
thing.
makes them do.
There's more title defences on this show than any other show that's in the UK.
And rightly so. People will take the title and sit it and look at it in the fucking...
Exactly.
Instead of actually defending it like a true champion.
Both girls starting to slow down slightly now.
Good kick to the midsection there from...
Who wants this fight more? Who wants it more?
It's been very even so far.
Lovely body kick from Brooke there.
Yeah, a very heavy kick.
Roma
to the
comes
midsection.
straight back with the combination. Roma's got some lovely boxing.
Yeah, oh yeah, she's tidy. Very tidy boxer. Oh, good
beautiful
right hand.
shot.
That's hurt Brooke.
She's wearing her down. She's wearing Brooke down slowly.
Oh, nice inside
But
work
a nice
though from
inside
Brooke.
uppercut there from Brooke. Beautiful. Great fight. Bit of blood
Brilliant
coming from the
fight.
nose of Brooke.
Might to be scoring that one.
No, not at all. So yeah, heading into 2025, the next JackHammer show, we're heading over to Ireland, to Limerick, on the 15th of February, Hayley Keeley's hometown. It's going to be an incredible event.
That'll be a good one, that will. Hayley Keeley, she has a lot of eyes on her already.
She's brought, I think, 25 people over from Ireland today.
Yeah, and we're not close at all. She's a very, very, very bright prospect in the sport of kickboxing, and young as well. I think if anyone could go all the way, it's Hayley Keeley, definitely.
The whole town are behind her, mate. And
She
that's
markets
what,
herself very well.
She's a superstar in the making.
Been in the paper numerous times already. Good on the mic as well,
Yeah.
confident.
Yeah, she is.
This is the fifth and final
Who wants it more? Brooke Mitchell or Roma Tyson?
Oh, nice right hand there, just glancing though. It's been very technical, this fight has. Brooke just walking onto a jab.
Do you know what, for me, mate? You've got two young girls here that have been in the sport a few years. They've had a few fights. They're both fighting for the ISKA English title right now.
Which holds a lot of weight in the
It
sport
does,
of kickboxing.
but for me, what a perfect example, these two girls, of why you should get into the sport.
100%. There's not many girls in the sport, which is why it's good for these girls as well. A lot of waiting around now. But as I say, there's not many girls in the sport, which means there's more opportunities for the girls that do get into the sport.
Yeah, that's why they can get to title contention quite quickly.
100%.
This is the fifth and final round. Lend them your energy.
This has been a brilliant fight so far.
It was fantastic.
From a fan point of view as well.
Cracking fight.
And a very 50-50. Brilliant matchmaking from the JackHammer team.
Roma Tyson rocking the pink Frog Fight TV logo. That's what I like to see.
Oh, she's come here to represent. Definitely.
So while we're waiting for the result, Mitch, tell us about your injury, mate. You got injured over in Ireland.
Yeah, I've got injured over in Ireland.
What's the result? Broken in 2 places? Was it your thumb?
Yeah, broken in 2 places. I should have been fighting for a title tonight, but sadly I couldn't. They've said I've got 2 months out, but I'm back to training next week.
Good.
I'm back to training next week, and then I'll be back on it for next year. I'm going to look for 5 or 6 fights, hopefully rack up a few wins, and then get myself back in that title contention, you know what I mean? Pick up back where I left off.
Both girls look confident here.
I'm not sure who's got this one, a very 50-50 fight.
For me, I think Roma's nicked it. I think she dominated the first couple of rounds.
She was putting the pressure on, pushing her back. And that goes a long way in this sport as well. But as I said, should have been fighting here tonight for a title. Sadly, I couldn't.
Sadly, you're drinking beer and on commentary.
Well, yeah, very sadly. Sat here getting drunk and with the best seats in the house. It's a tough world, mate. It's a tough world.
Tough world. Here we go. Here's the announcement.
The results are in. And it is a split decision.
Split
We knew
decision.
it was going to be close.
Your winner of the ISKA British Kickboxing title is in the red corner.
And she's done it.
Well done, Roma Tyson.
Roma Tyson
Lady.
gets the win. The new ISKA British champion. Well done, Roma.
Rightly so as well. What a performance there. A very even fight. Could have gone either way.
Both girls gave a fantastic display of kickboxing there.
Very technical, very skilled, and both very well schooled as well.